Not long after we freed New Vestroia, King Zenoheld came out of hiding and brought with him the Bakugan termination system. It's a machine designed to destroy all of the Bakugan. But in order to power it, he needed the attribute energies of the 6 ancient warriors. But the ancients tricked Zenoheld and transferred their powers to 6 Bakugan. Their energies caused the Bakugan to evolve into more powerful versions of themselves. The fate of the Bakugan is in our hands and the stakes are high, but we're ready to fight!
What are you gonna do? The odds are stacked against you. Back against the wall, gotta give it your all. This is the final stand. The power's in your hands. Two worlds collide on the inside. You gotta fight for what's right before it's gone, gone, gone. This is Bakugan.
This waiting is making me restless. We may not have all 6 of the attribute energies yet, but I feel like taking the BT system out for a test drive. And I think I know just the place to do it.
It's wonderful to see how quickly things have returned to normal after we were freed from the Vestals. Ah! What is this metal beast?
The Bakugan Battle Brawler's in the day New Vestroia stood still. Dude, are you kidding me? You've had this thing the whole time and you didn't tell us?
Yeah, Marucho. What's up with that, huh?
Quiet, guys. Let him concentrate.
Here we go. This should do it.
Good afternoon to you, my fellow Bakugan Battle Brawlers.
Hey, Klaus. How are you, man? It's been so long. I see that living on Vestal hasn't affected your sense of style. Still rocking the 16th century pirate thing?
Well, Dan, thanks for the compliment, but we have more pressing issues to discuss.
Guys, you've got to help us! They've come back!
Hydron and his posse of Vexo scum.
You can't be serious!
I'm so sorry, Master Dan! Hydron ambushed us in the park and took the Chaos energy!
Just don't beat yourself up, Baron. They're stronger now. If Klaus and Cyranoid hadn't stepped in, Mylene would have taken my darkest energy too.
So it looks like the Vexos are calling us out.
Just like the ancients said, they're after our 6 attribute energies for the BT system.
And now that they've got the Chaos energy, they're one step closer to activating it.
At least they don't have the element of surprise anymore.
We know what we gotta do. Time for us to go to Vestal and face these Vexos clowns head on. It's time we shut them down for good.
Yep. Yep.
Don't worry, guys. Julie and I can hold down the fort just like before.
Yeah, we're old pros at it now.
All right then, next stop, Vestal.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah.
And no pressure, Doc, but we're counting on you. You gotta get us all to Vestal in one piece.
Yes, I understand. You'll be fine. This isn't a slingshot, you know.
Be careful when you get there, okay? Don't worry, we're the best, remember?
What's this? The radar is picking up an atmospheric anomaly emanating from New Vestroia.
What do you think it is?
The Vexos. Who else?
But that doesn't make sense.
None of the Bakugan possessing attribute energies are there.
Maybe it's a distraction to throw us off their tails!
Or maybe it's another attack on our people.
Elfin's right. We can't ignore it. What do you think, Dan?
I don't know, it could be a decoy, but it could also be a trap to lure all of the attribute energies to one place. Oh, man!
I'll go check it out.
Huh?
You made a good point. It's probably safer we split up anyway. We'll catch you later in Vestal.
Are you sure?
He's fine. He's almost as tough as me.
The Dimension Transporter has locked onto the coordinates. If you're going to jump, now's the time to do
You'll
it.
be fine, Shun. Just remember to hold your breath.
Say hi to New Vestroia, okay, buddy? Ingram was bestowed with the Ventus energy. It'll be one sorry Vexos who makes the mistake of messing with him.
I know that it is a great honor and responsibility to have been given the Ventus energy, but since my evolution, I don't feel right. I worry that I'm not ready for such power.
Sensors are picking up 2 life forms headed for New Vestroia. They appear to be a Bakugan and a human.
Perfect. Right on schedule.
This looks like New Vestroia, but where are all the Bakugan? Is it possible we've been transported to the wrong planet?
No, we're in the right place. But even though this is my home, it seems strange to me too.
What the? Ingram, what's wrong? If we're really in New Vestroia, why are you still a ball?
I was wondering the same thing myself.
It doesn't make any sense. We destroyed the Dimension Controller. I don't understand.
The Dimension Controller is not responsible.
Huh?
There is a new danger here.
Skyrus!
I had always hoped I'd see you again, but not under these circumstances.
You look beautiful, Skyrus.
Skyrus, please tell us, what is this new danger you speak of?
We're here to help you, Skyrus. Tell us what happened.
Earlier this morning, a strange metal sphere appeared in the sky.
A sphere?
Before any of us knew what to make of it, it had embedded itself deep into the ground.
A beam from that did this to you?
Yes. You don't understand how painful it is, after being enslaved, to be granted freedom only to have it ripped away from you again. The Bakugan are a peaceful race. I don't understand why this keeps happening to us.
Blasted Vexos!
Don't you worry, Skyrus. We're here. We drove these creeps out of New Vestroia once, so there's no reason we can't do it again. Yeah!
Shun!
Are you okay? What was that?
Oh, blast! It's an incredibly powerful electric force field. Whatever this thing is, the Vexos don't want anyone meddling with it. Cracking that shield's impossible.
Blasted Vexos!
You're our only hope, Shun. Without the Bakugan battle brawlers, we haven't got a chance against the Vexos.
She's right, Shun. There must be something we can do.
Please!
Well, if we can't destroy this thing, we'll have to figure out another way to defeat the Vexos. We can do this, Ingram. We just have to do this.
But how?
What a pity for Shun that he has you as a partner.
What did you just say to me?
Hold on, Skyrus.
No! Don't defend him! Where's his fire? Where's his courage? These are his people that need to be saved, yet he cowers like a frightened child. How can one so weak call himself a Bakugan?
What?
No, Skyrus.
Forgive me, Shun, but I only speak the truth.
Come on, Skyrus. Ingram is no coward. I trust him with my life. We're partners.
Shun!
I meant no disrespect, Shun.
Sorry to interrupt the reunion, kids. Don't worry, this won't take very long. I came to retrieve the Ventus energy. Come back and watch me take the Ventus energy from Ingram. This is gonna be fun.
Link is no match for Ingram and I. Bakugan Brawl!
That electro shield had to hurt, Shun. I thought you were gonna cry.
Keep talking, Link.
I demand you return the Bakugan to their natural state!
Oh, wow. Such tough talk. Your Bakugan has a lot of nerve talking to me like that. Pretty brave standing so close to the BT system.
This is the BT system?
Well, a part of it anyway. If you think this looks impressive now, just wait till we get all the attribute energies and power it up. The BT system is really a thing of beauty.
There's nothing beautiful about a tool of destruction.
Well, beautiful or not, you have to admit it's pretty impressive. I mean, it's not fully powered yet, but it's still able to emit Dimension rays that trap your Bakugan in ball form! Come on, Shun, why the angry face? I can't wait to introduce Mechanical Alus.
Only fools joke in the face of battle, Link. So, are you ready, Ingram?
You bet!
Gauntlet activated.
Gauntlet Power Strike! Gate card set! Bakugan Brawl! Ventus Alus stand!
Bakugan Brawl! Ventus Master Ingram stand!
Prepare to be humbled by Ventus Master Ingram!
Ability activate! Wind Power Extreme!
Ability activate! Giga Armor!
How annoying!
Double ability activate! Wind Echo plus Wind Split!
Okay, now I'm reading your mail. Fusion ability activate! Arrow Aegis!
Blast this thing!
That's why I love the Arrow Aegis. It really sticks to you. Or rather, you stick to it.
Ingram!
So much for the Ventus Master Ingram.
I call trap Bakugan Ventus Slash!
Thank you, Slash!
A trap Bakugan, eh? That's a weak move that only an amateur would try. Get card open! Forcement Wind! With Forcement Wind, Alus's power level goes up 100 points for each Bakugan on the field with the same attribute, whether they are friend or foe.
No way!
And now, ability activate!
Ability card set.
Thunder Striper! So, Shun, have you had enough yet?
Shun, please, you must use me.
Are you sure?
Yes, more than anything.
Bakugan Brawl! Bakugan stand! Ventus Storm Skyrus descend! Aha!
Skyrus!
Ability activate! Whirlwind Lightning Sword!
That's pretty girly.
I really hate this kid!
Not as much as I do. You had your chance and you failed, Ingram. Now it's my turn.
Shun! I got your back! Double ability activate! Thunder Strike open! Plus, Green Wave!
Alus! You think you're so cool? You're not the only one with 6 skills. Ability activate! Swing Boomerang!
Wait, Ingram!
Had enough humiliation? Ability activate! Blaster Bind!
Ability activate! Armored Intense Mode!
He's toast! Give it up, man! Ability activate! Airlift!
No! Ingram!
Is he okay? Shun!
No, Skyrus! Ability activate! Lightning Talon!
Now feel the wrath of Skyrus!
Whatever, dude, no big deal. One more round and your precious Ventus energy is mine anyway.
Are you okay, Ingram?
I'm so sorry, Shun. I fought a clumsy battle today, and because of me, the Vestals might still win the Ventus energy. It's these new powers. I'm not sure that I'm worthy of them, or even ready to use them. This evolution has me so confused. Many would consider it a blessing, but I think it's a curse.
Ingram, withdraw yourself from the rest of the battle. You are nothing but a detriment to us at this point.
What?
In battle, your head cannot be clouded, especially not with self-doubt. Come on, Shun. Let's finish this.
She's right. Ingram's too unsure right now, and Link is too strong a competitor. Gate card set! Wah! Bakugan brawl! Storm Skyrus descend!
So, Ingram's sending this one out. Let's defeat this feather duster! Bakugan Brawl! Ability activate! Dora Cannon! Blast that flaming chicken out of the sky!
She's under heavy attack! What kind of warrior would I be if I just sat here and did nothing?
Gate card set! Bakugan brawl! Storm Skyrus descend!
Dude, could you be more lame? Ability activate! Drive Storm!
She's nullified my gate card!
2 Ventus and a trap Bakugan, and you still can't beat me?
Skyrus! This is ridiculous! I must embrace my new powers! I will not run from battle! I will fight! For Shun, for Skyrus, for me, and all Bakugan! Send me in, Shun.
But Ingram...
I won't lose to the Vexos! I will not let them defeat me!
All right. Only if you're sure.
I am.
Ingram, let's take the fight to them. Bakugan! Brawl! Bakugan stand!
Ha-ha! Ventus Master Ingram has returned!
Yeah. You're a tough guy. You know, I've heard all this before. Ability activate! Airland!
Ability activate! Moonlight Slash!
You will not take this energy from me, boy!
Whoa, he's mad.
Activate Shadow Wing!
Oh?
Shadow Wing? I don't know that. It must be part of his...
New attribute energy powers.
Oh, man!
Vintage Shadow Wing, stand! Ability activate! Ninjutsu combo! Mighty Fang! And Vista Wing!
You wanna fight? See how you like this! Ability activate! Dora Cannon! What? How'd he do that? Oh yeah? Well, took 3 Bakugan to beat my 1!
Who cares? In the end, we still have the Ventus energy and you don't.
Your arrogance was no match for our will to win!
Will to win? I'll show you idiots the will to win! Next time you see me coming, you better run the other way!
Shun, Ingram, thank you.
Well, we may not have destroyed it, but at least we delayed the launch of the BT system.
Shun, I owe you an apology. I hope my self-doubt hasn't given you reason to doubt me as well.
Huh?
And Skyrus!
Skyrus! I'm glad I don't have to worry about you anymore, Ingram.
Skyrus?
Now that you believe in yourself, the ancients chose you to bestow their powers upon for a reason. Never forget that.
I won't, and I have you to thank for that, Skyrus.
You and Shun make a good team. Take care of each other.
We will, I promise.
It was so wonderful to see you both again, even though it was for the last time. Goodbye, Shun. Goodbye, Ingram.
Goodbye, Skyrus. We'll miss you.
We finally made our way through the dimension transporter to Vestal and found Klaus waiting for us. But he wasn't the only one there to greet us. Volt showed up and challenged us to a battle. Then Spectra and Gus appeared out of nowhere. Pretty soon it was a full-on Vexos party. Only we weren't really in the mood to celebrate. And come to think of it, neither were they. We're talking some serious crazy time. Tune in next time to check it out for yourself. Time to throw down, Drago! Bakugan Brawl! Rock on, Brawlers!